To make the heavy metal detox juice, you will need 3 stalks of celery, leaves removed, 1 cucumber, 1 handful of parsley, 1 handful of cilantro or coriander, 1 green apple, half a fennel bulb, and 1 lemon peeled. Simply put everything through the juicer. I like to start with the fine leafy herbs first, and using a cold press juicer so that everything gets extracted. Now the 2 powerhouses in this juice are the parsley and cilantro. Parsley is rich in chlorophyll and also vitamins A, B, C, and K. It's extremely great for cleansing the body and also cleansing the breath. Everybody wants fresh breath. We also have cilantro, or parsley, as it is known in the UK and also Australia and New Zealand. And cilantro has an incredible ability, which studies have shown, to bind with heavy metals in the body and draw them out through the blood. That is the heavy metal detox green juice.